Life is infinite when we nourish nature. Hi guys, this is Gautam again. Usually we used to post video how to produce organic stuff like organic vegetables, fruits, and organic farming, terrace farming, home gardening. Usually, this time we are going to post a little bit of a different video expressing our cooking skills to you. We have this time prepared vegetable pulav. Guys, this was not a professional video. It was just in a funny way we are posting to you this video. So please guys, share with us your valuable ideas, comments, and any other stuff you have. Also please let us know if we have to improve more, whatever comments you feel, so that it will be helpful for us. And thanks guys. Let's have a look on the video.
He is Mr. Gautam. He is currently making a dish called, what's the dish name?
Vegetable pulav. First of all guys, this is not a professional video, it's a casual video, so we're just doing like however we are.
Yeah, he's actually doing for his office.
This is ginger garlic paste. So I'm gonna use a quantity of it. I'm frying all the spices and onion, vegetables, everything using pure desi ghai ka ghee.
So what are the stuff you're frying right now?
It's onion, tezpatta, cloves,
Okay.
and a little of black cardamom and jeera
Jeera. Some ginger.
and ginger garlic paste and chilies. So we have to fry this until this the ginger garlic paste actually loses the raw flavor.
Use. So
But,
you're saying carrot.
I'm sorry. Carrot, French beans, tomato, capsicum, and green peas. I'll soak it to have it boiled easier.
I think you'll be using cashews also.
Yeah, at the end. Best suit is a homemade garam masala is fine for us. Now the raw flavor has gone, so we can add the tomatoes now.
So how much of quantities can use for tomatoes and other vegetables? What is the quantity?
It purely depends on your choice.
Okay.
Because I'm not a professional cook, so you have to see the quantity of rice, and according to that you have to cut your vegetables. And now after the vegetables get, the spices and the onions get sorted, now we have added some capsicum, and now we are adding some carrots, chopped carrots, nicely chopped. So after 1 or 2 minutes, we'll again add these beans. And now I am adding the French bean. So now I am adding the green peas, and I'm going to low flame it. And saute it for some time. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add the masala. And before that, I forgot something. I have to add salt. Salt you have to add as per the quantity, so be careful while adding salt.
Currently it's adding
It's rock salt, you can see.
we use 2-3 spoons.
And mix it well, and next is to add the masala. Not gonna have so for pulao you should not add much of masala, so little quantity is fine.
This is the quantity.
A little bit of turmeric or haldi, and red chili powder. Be careful, don't add too much. It's just for flavor. Before adding rice, we have to add water equal to the quantity of the rice. Sometimes basmati rice I've actually soaked it for more than an hour, so I'm gonna add as much as the quantity of rice, equal to the quantity of rice, and a little more than that. That's all. So I have used 4.5 cups of rice, so I'm gonna add 5 or 6 cups of water.
I think you maybe use half a kg. How much rice you have used?
4.5 cups of rice.
400 cup of rice.
So mix it well, and once it comes to a boiling state, you have to check for the salt.
Yeah, now it looks like a sambar.
This guy is a funny guy, so he used to comment like this. Okay, so keep it in high flame and let it boil. So once the water starts boiling, we'll have to check for the salt. If you want to add a little more, and then add the rice.
Started.
So you can see that now the water is boiling. So now we are going to add rice. So before that we have to drain the water here. So the rice we have used here is long grain basmati rice. I checked it to be old rice so that it cooks well and it doesn't stick one another. So you can have rice of your choice also. Basmati rice is best suitable. So I'm gonna add the rice now. I feel now the water is a little less, so I'm gonna add a little more water and a little more salt.
You may have tasted that water to taste the salt, right?
Yeah, that I've done it already. I was fine with it.
Okay.
So for the rice, a little extra salt is needed, and also we're gonna add some more water, so we'll have to add more salt also for that. So be careful when mixing because your rice should not break. I'm gonna add 2 or 3 more cups, not more than that. And guys, we are not professional cooks, so please help us on your comments so that we can improve our cooking skills.
Yeah.
That's it. Usually we use rock salt just because that is the healthiest salt to use rather than using iodine salt. We don't prefer iodine salt because that is not as healthy as this is. Iodine salt is almost poison.
Yeah, even foreigners
Please
prefer.
avoid using iodized salt. So now I kept it on a high flame, and now we are going to cover it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes.
So what's the difference in pulao and biryani?
I don't know.
You can eat.
Frankly speaking, I don't know. Hi guys, so see, the pulao is almost ready. So, and you have to be careful, the rice should not break. So you have to stir it carefully, because every now and then you have to stir it. We have not used a pressurized cooking method, we have used a normal cooking method, so it may take a little time, but stir it gently so that, and turn it upside down so that the rice should not break. So turn it gently.
So it almost take 10 minutes, right?
It's almost 5 to 7 minutes now. So let's see if the rice is cooked. And once it's cooked, and the water has to evaporate, so I'm not gonna close it now. The flavor anyway, it will be retained. Rice has to cook a little bit, so I'm gonna leave it for 5 to 10 more minutes again now.
So mixing up the.
So it's almost cooked now. So again, for 5 minutes I'm gonna keep it.
So already been
2
7
minutes.
minutes.
So 2 more minutes. The rice is almost cooked now. So I'm just gonna close it, put it on low flame, and the next important thing is that I'm gonna put some weight over it. Any weight is fine. This is the easiest available weight for me, so obviously. So guys, so we are going to fry the cashew nuts now. Again, add ghee. I'm gonna add quite a more amount of ghee, because a little ghee has to be spread again over the pulao, so that will give you a flavor. Guys, we have not used oil, even a drop of oil. Everything what we've used is desi ghee actually. So I think now our biryani is, our pulao is done. I'll just have a check. I've put off the flame. I've added around 100 grams of cashews. So guys, now we are adding a little bit of garnishing. So the cashews, fried cashews, fried in ghee, and a little bit of dhania, coriander leaves. This is how our pulao looks like.
I also tasted it. It tastes good.
So friends, now we have seen as how we have prepared our pulao. Please share with us your valuable comments and ideas. And we are sorry if we would have made any mistakes in this video. So forgive us guys. Support us with your valuable information data. Thank you. Again, we would like to say always, life is infinite when we nourish nature. Thanks.